out okay. It should be, I think. Stream should be going all right. Everything should be working as advertised. I kind of want to lower my screen and sit down, but I'll do that in just a second. There we go. Now I fit on the screen. All right, short here in this account. Just take some profits. So they're fading it a little bit. Gold coming in. Treasuries popped off of T-line, and that was about it. All right, I'm going to be buying this gold right here on this decline. So long gold. Next we'll be at the swing level 33.47.8. Thanks, Sean. Appreciate it. So we're good in both locations. Now we just got to hope that my machine can hold up. Hold up. We'll see.
Order submitted.
We shall see.
Order filled. Position closed.
Go gold. Get right back to the 58s.
Order submitted.
You know you can do it.
Order filled.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Order submitted.
Something ain't right. All right. What was the policy statement? More of the same. We might do something. We're not sure. Let me just put on CNBC here. I always have a workout on Wednesdays, and I have to rush through it and then rush home, unprepared. We'll do a little show up and throw up. Little show up and throw up. All right, so S&P popped to about the 24s, coming in a little bit. Again, so we've had some muted moves for quite a while. I'll buy the pullback in the Dow again. It's been really nice today. It's given us opportunities every single time to this account's down $50, which isn't too bad. Go gold.
Order filled. Order submitted.
So it looks like we'll have to wait till the press conference for anything super interesting.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Perfect doji. That's what we got working on. Doji City. All right. I've got a strong, very strong iced coffee here. All right. So far, that was a snore fest. All right, gold heading down a little bit. And I mean a little bit. What's your Kerpos, people? What you got going on?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Flat, long gold, short MES, a little bit of everything. This is indecision city here. I mean, look at this Dow. I mean, all right, for all the days that I hear about people getting killed, which just means hitting their daily risk budget, which is not a big deal, please take a screenshot of this today. You had one run of the whole range, and then 3.5 hours of just 4.5 hours of just
Order filled.
beautiful wiki action all over the place. That frustrates the crap out of a lot of traders. To me, it's a dream. It's a dream, baby.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Dreamboat.
Order submitted. Order
If you
submitted.
just trade your... What'd you guys think of that song?
Order
On
filled.
YouTube, you didn't get to hear the
filled.
song. If you want to hear the song, you got to come on over,
Order filled.
get on my list. You'll get notified when we do the free fun day, free look kind of things in the trade room, and then you can listen to the songs. I think at the end today, I will play the FOMC song for everybody. FOMC, da-na-na. All right. They took the S&P right down to, I don't know, this weird line right here. Not exactly sure why. There was probably a smart money liquidity bubble there. Here's where I would say would be my offer zone. Just connect those. Put a little offer zone here that takes you outside the bands. Remember, these bands are not going to get you done today until we get a little bit more range. Don't be yelling at me if you short the plus ones and it rips your face off. Wait till it gets up there to highs of session so far. Come on, gold. There we go, baby. All right, I'm going to scale out in a few accounts just so I can come back in bigger.
Order submitted.
Let's do it here and here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
These accounts. Go, gold.
Order filled.
There we go. And then we'll leave some runners on over here. Here we go. Come on, baby. FOMC, da-na-na. That song is catchy. All right. Got to take it in this account too, because this one's slightly
Order filled.
underwater.
Order submitted.
Go, gold. There we go. Let's hit target. Huh. Oh, double up. Come on, baby. We'll just drag it into price in a couple places here.
Order filled. Order filled.
They love to buy the NASDAQ. They love to buy the NASDAQ.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Can't hurt me.
Order filled.
Kind of glad I'm out of my 23.5 short calls, because now if we get a real pop up to 6 or 650, I can sell some more for Friday. I ain't scared. All right. So peeling off a little of the gold there.
Order filled.
Peeled off a little gold. All right. Want our money back here. Money back. Go, gold. Still haven't hit that double bottom up there. See if we can get another swing level.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
FOMC. That's all I want to hear now. Just hear that opus. The opus 37.
Order submitted.
All right. Who's holding out? Who's holding out? What is everybody else's curpos? Flat, short MC, long gold. Anybody else? You getting involved in anything? It looks like it's just a wait and see. So we got to wait another 15 minutes or so. Then Powell will take the mic. So I'm interested in the treasuries over here. So that's the look there. Nice move down to, I'm going to buy this next move down here. Now your bid zone is way down here. So if you wanted to have the best level for the range trader today is down here. You know, do rates pop? Let's see. All right, I'm going to get back in here.
Order filled.
There we go. Back in here too.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, let's go. Let's go, gold. Fill us up. Fill me up before you go. If you're over there on the YouTube side, you can go over to I don't know how you're going to get in the room unless you're on my list. If you're on my list, then you got an email about the free look. The password for the room this week is going to be Rambler. Password is Rambler. Rambler. Ramble on. Yeah, I can't fire him. If you fired him, the market would throw a little tantrum. I think we all knew that. A lot of the time, things aren't that telegraphed, but I think that's pretty telegraphed. All right, let's get a little more gold here.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. All right. S&P almost got to, I mean, did anyone get short? Add to your short there? Nice. We're staying in the lane. We are staying in the lane. Staying in the lane.
Order filled.
Staying in the lane. All right. Who crushed it on Bitcoin today? You guys see the Bitcoin move? I don't know. It's almost like this stuff works. or you should understand that you can walk forward, test it. We're in the bid zone here. All these opportunities to buy. Take all these profits, all these profits. I'm not saying you catch the whole move. You might be out of all your inventory here, but that is line to line, baby. And then more. And then more. So does Bitcoin have some more in it? I'm not sure. Maybe. Let's take a shot at it if it pops again. I'll sell like highs a day and the plus twos.
Order submitted.
So there's the look on Bitcoin. We're farting around over here on everything else.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Do we have any earnings after the bell today? Any earnings today? Or is it starting tomorrow? Lots of earnings tomorrow. I'm talking about like either Facebook, let's call it Meta. Yeah, we have Meta earnings today. Oh, shit. We have Microsoft too. So Meta, Microsoft, things are going to move on the NASDAQ side. So be afraid. Be very afraid. No, don't be afraid.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right. Very, very slow. Nothing to see here.
Order submitted.
I'm trying to get short at the plus twos on
Order submitted.
the highs of the session.
Order submitted.
Probably got about another.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Yes. So we have, well, Microsoft reports today. You missed, yeah, Meta, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and I think Apple reports tomorrow and Amazon report tomorrow. All right, I got to sit down. All right, so sound quality's bad. Deal with it. I don't know what to tell you. I think I'm talking in the mic, but I'm about to chew. I'm about to chew a little bit in your face. In your face. Go, Gold. Come on, baby. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen.
Order filled. Order filled.
I could be the best ever here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Could be the best ever. Maybe we can hit 28 one more time up here.
Order submitted.
Let's do it. All right. Remember, it's a master class until
Order filled.
it's not. All right. Got a 2 lot
Order
hitting it.
filled.
Now I'll wait for a perfect touch up there. Got 2 lot here too.
Order
Same
filled.
thing. Let's see if we can get a perfect touch here.
Order submitted.
Sometimes when we touch. Sorry. It's good chicken. All right. What do we got going on over at YouTube? How do you roll your MGC to December? On what platform? On Ninja, it'll roll for you. On Tickblaze, it'll tell you. The only place where it's kind of a pain to do it is on use your words, Rod. On TradingView. What's the P&L for the day? I just crush it every day. Don't worry. I don't know. Live, I'm up about 11,000, and then in all the funny money stuff, I mean, I don't know. Add that up, whatever that is. Add that up. Add it up. I'm just a big, hairy winning machine. What helped a lot today was that bounce off T-line on the ZN. That's what did it. That's all you need is this little move. Let's see if we get one more. I'm just a big, hairy winning machine. Is he ready to talk yet? You guys tell me when he comes on. I got Bloomberg on, and I got a few other things on.
Order submitted.
Just a big, hairy winning machine. How to roll it on Ninja? Should have done it for you. Are you asking how to roll on Ninja? Stephen M. Well, then just start typing MGC into the chart, and then this will you'll only have one available here. So just type MGC into the chart, and if you really don't want to just select it from there, you just type MGC 12-25, and you're good to go. This stream is not only educational, it's tech support for platforms. So there's a question about when price goes outside the bands and makes a new high, would you sell the, and then comes back inside, would you sell the +2 or wait for the new high? The answer is you could do both. That new high does become a level, and we're going to have some levels that you can work off of on the, like, so let's look at the NASDAQ here, right? So you have other levels. You could look to sell this high volume node right here, which is basically where we stopped. And then you have this, all this nonsense up here. I mean, here's actually your offer zone. So as long as you have an offer zone, you're not technically breaking any framework if you were to add, because we're not at all-time highs, right? Not yet. But if we come up to here into this zone here, okay, you have, and then here on the NASDAQ, where I'm short, I'm actually short in a couple accounts. Let me see which ones. All right, so I'm short in this one right here, okay? So I'm just resting this little swing high, which is actually not the way I would normally do it, but I don't care. But normally I would take this plus about 10 points, just some made up stuff, or you just come up here to 584s, kind of the bottom of this zone. So really I should just move this up to around 584 or somewhere like that, 85.50, is because Powell's about to come on here and he could say anything, you know, so 85.50, something like that. Same thing here, 85.50. And now gold's down again.
Order filled.
So I'm going
Order
to
filled.
buy this level right here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
So we'll watch the NASDAQ on the left. Same thing. This should come up to about this level right here. I don't know what count this is. Oh, 33. Okay. I don't want to stop me.
Order filled.
How to roll, what do we got over here? So outside the bands, Lobo, the price shop rug pull on us. No, I disagree. Done a bunch of videos on that. I don't understand how you guys think it's a rug pull. A small adjustment in consistency, and you can keep all the accounts you bought, and the payout is reduced by $250. The only possible thing I could see someone complaining about is, oh, I don't get to stay in Carnival Land. I want a firm that really puts me in live markets. No, I don't. Never mind. I don't want that. I don't want a firm that puts me in real live markets. Fuck that. Nazi creeping. 'Cause I creep. Do not dun. Nazi creeping. Nazi likes to creep. How come the press conference hasn't
Order
started
submitted.
yet? Starts right at 11:30. Tickblaze is free. Free, man. And believe me, that pissed a lot of people off. People get mad about everything. People get mad about everything.
Order filled.
I do what I do to help the community.
Order filled.
Haters gonna hate. All right, here we go. Gold heading down. Gold heading down. NASDAQ heading up. Mean reversion sucks. Don't do it. Don't do the mean reversion. S&P heading higher too. Oops. I mean, if you can call that higher. Here's where we need to back up the truck on the S&P. Right down there, baby. You guys can cover your shorts. Cover your shorts, and I'll help you out. Let me see here. Boom, boom, boom. I want it in all accounts. All accounts. Doesn't look like we're going to get down there, but maybe it does something. Says something.
Order
Come on.
submitted.
Make a little low for the day. Let's just do a made-up
Order
number of
submitted.
6,400. It's not, it's been... So there we go. So, oh, now we got to add to our gold across all of our accounts here. Here we go. Come on, gold.
Order filled.
Selling off before Powell takes the stand? Don't be doing that. What's that all about? Get some in tick.
Order submitted.
Guys like your tick.
Order filled.
What do you call this? Tradeify?
Submitted.
Do some in
Order
Tradeify.
filled. Order submitted.
Tradeify.
Order filled.
Oh, heading lower. I love it. All right. Here's a lead account. Well, I want to stop me.
Order filled.
Do. Here we go. Nazi up, gold down.
Order filled.
We do the hokey pokey and we turn ourselves around. Oh, I need to get short here too.
Order filled. Order
Here goes
submitted.
Powell. Stock indices up, gold down. What have I done? Oh, you know what I think? I think if I turn up the volume on my speakers loud enough, the people on YouTube can hear the music. You can hear the music. The music. I got the music in me. Excuse me. My beautiful life, my beautiful girlfriend.
Order submitted.
I've told many people for a long time I used to determine whether a woman was age appropriate or not for me by whether she knew who Supertramp was. And then I would sing, not the logical song, I'd sing something like, take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got. Not much of a girlfriend. Take a ride down to California. Can you see a miracle? You just demonetized this whole stream, dude. Don't do it. I'm on YouTube now. I can't be demonetized over there. I got to make money for my 600 views. Got to make money for my 600 views.
No, you're doing it all wrong.
I know. That's usually the case. That's usually the case. Oh, here we go. Let's just scalp that. That's enough. Like the best ever. I want to fade this so that we can sell up here.
Order submitted.
Do 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 do, and then these ones I gotta hold.
Order submitted.
There we go, NASDAQ. There we go, gold. How can not everyone love gold?
Order canceled.
Stable prices.
Order submitted.
Stability.
Order filled.
All right. Many of you might not agree with me, but I am rooting for gold to go down so I can get more. For pops like that, baby. That's a good enough pop. Oops, let's go buy the swing here. What's going on with the Nazi? Come on, NASDAQ. Don't be acting the fool like that. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Do 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 do.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was a fun little bounce on gold.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Hope you enjoyed the ride.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order. Order filled.
Bodum, bodum. Come on. We're going to have a 5 lot on there. I ain't scared. Five lot's a little much. But let's do it.
Order filled.
You guys can watch me get into a little bit of trouble. Let's get into some trouble. We'll be in trouble if gold goes the wrong way. We're going to be in trouble. I cannot have gold go down and the NASDAQ scream higher. We could be in trouble.
Order filled.
Trouble in the city here. To achieve our goals. Doesn't he say the same nonsense every frickin' time? What'd the S&P do?
Order filled. Order filled.
I can't even keep. Oh, now gold's going down. Good, but at least the NASDAQ's going down too. I need the NASDAQ to go down a little bit here. Guys having fun? It's a little bit of
Order filled.
two-way. A little bit of two-way. This is the this is what I'm looking at here. You know, a little bit of something something. All right, so let's hit this here. Boom.
Order
Can't hurt me.
filled. Order
We'll do that
submitted.
there. We'll do this here.
Order
And then let's
submitted.
see if we can get. Ooh, I like that. Hit that. God damn it.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay. So short NASI.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Took that off. Crushed it. Crushed it, baby. Suck it, NASDAQ. All right. So here we go. We're going to trade this as the lead account. I don't know why. It's supposed to be the other one. God damn it. Push the button.
Order
There we go.
filled.
Okay. Very good. All right. Now what we got to do is switch this to 33 because this is the one that's supposed to be lead account. Come on down, gold. Give us some more inventory. You think we can get all the way down to here? That'd be awesome if we did.
Order submitted.
If we can get all the way down to there. All right. Total masterclass until I fuck it up. Well, for right now, I'm the best ever. The best ever. All right, let's take another gold. Another.
Order filled.
I did draw this box in here for you. I really did, guys. I drew the box. I knew there was smart money liquidity bubble right there. A corgi farted in Japan. I knew it was going to happen. Uh-oh.
Order
All right, gold.
filled.
Here we go. Don't make me look bad. Who's having fun?
Order filled.
Anybody over on YouTube with questions today? I won't. The answer I'm going to give to every question is come check out the trade room, download the ebook, find out about all the resources. Get yourself over to the foundation workshop. It's a 3-hour video. It's right on YouTube. It's totally free. It's better than any 3-hour video you'll ever watch on trading, and it's free. Just go do that. Suck it, NASDAQ. All right. What I'm going to do here is just scale out of a few of these. By doing this, I just take the
Order
replicator
filled.
and I go like this because I want to preserve these
Order
accounts
filled.
here.
Order canceled.
Oops, that's a long. Yikes.
Order filled.
Didn't mean to do that. All right, here we go.
Order filled.
There we go. And here. Then we'll leave some runners on
filled.
over here. Come on, baby. Uh-oh, gold. Don't you do that to me. Your S&P shorts are working out. Look at that. Heading a little lower. Who was buying today? Who was
Order
foolish enough
filled.
to be buying? Ooh, look at gold. All right. We have problems because we don't have it on every account here.
Order submitted.
Cry on my
Order
shoulder.
submitted.
You know, Justin Bieber is
Order
not my
filled.
cup of tea, but the producers
Order
of his new
submitted.
album, I freaking love Dijon and I love McGee. So it's like a new Dijon
Order
album.
filled.
Was jamming that a little bit in the car today. 35. Hold on, look at this. Here we go. Let's hit it.
Order filled.
All right. So I am rooting for the gold market to go down, please. Damn it. I need more inventory so I can crush it. Getting a little greedy here on
Order filled. Order filled.
getting a little greedy
Order filled. Order filled.
on these NASDAQ shorts.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Little greedy. But we can't hit that level if we don't leave a runner on, right? Man, we got all kinds of problems over here in gold. Like, we don't even have it in certain accounts. What is going on? What is happening here?
Submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Somehow I can't keep
Order filled.
45 accounts straight. I
Order
mean, I should be
submitted.
able to. All right, we got it in that account. We got it in that account. We have it in this account. All right.
Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted.
What's going on with Bitcoin? Oh, look at that. What do you think? I can't see this going well.
Order submitted.
Let's buy a little.
Order submitted.
And then we'll do the actual -2s here
Order submit. Order filled.
on this one. And
Order
then I'll
filled.
turn on the copier if
Order
it falls
submitted.
apart and try to pick up some coin over there. Don't you go up frickin' NASDAQ. Full on doji. Full on doji. You know, I have the microphone in front of my beautiful face today. You made an automated strategy, 4 standard deviations. You're never going to hit 4 standard deviations. You hit 4 standard deviations like never. Tell me how many occurrences you get of 4 standard deviations in a stock index. 1 every 5 years? Oh, on a 1 minute chart. What are you doing? I'm trading on a candlestick chart. That's silly, dude. And you're not using VWAP. If you're using VWAP, it wouldn't matter what the bar type was. Mark my words. We had one 5 sigma move, and it was on April 2nd or whatever. That was the first one in like 11 years. That one on April 2nd. That was a 5 sigma move for like 25 minutes or whatever it was. Remember on the Sunday Open? I'm a master of the history of the markets. And by that I mean I can't remember what happened yesterday. But I remember that trade I placed on the night of Brexit. My wife at the time, she's like, hassling, we gotta leave. We had some sushi dinner or whatever. I'm like, there's some weird stuff going on here. I don't know what to do. It looks like it's not going to pass. I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm going to short the pound. Came back 180 grand. 180 grand on a 12 lot. We're never going to get a move like that in the pound ever again either. All right. I'm responding to... The bar type does not matter when it comes... All right, one more thing. The bar type does not matter when it comes to standard deviations. It has nothing to do with what kind of bar type you're using. I know we got some ASMR going on with the food. Me chewing at you. Here we go, gold. Come on down. Help a brother out. Load the boat at the -2s. Ooh, 32. Hold on.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order
Nope.
filled.
Chewing in your mouth. Sorry. You can't have it both ways. Half the people complain about the mic's not loud enough. You can't appreciate the savorousness of the food without aerating it a little bit. Oh, there you go, gold.
Order filled.
Cry on my shoulder. So go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. Oh, look at that. That's a great photo. Guys, see what you're missing over here? If you don't come into our trade room, I'll tell you what you're missing. So go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. You know what I didn't have up? I didn't have up the disclaimer today, so just remember, don't eat yellow snow, look both ways before crossing the street, you know, all that good stuff. Dude, look at this. We got 2 lots on here, so we're just gonna scale out of that right there, because it comes right back down. Right back down.
Order submitted.
All right, so let me show you what you're missing. I think it'll be quieter when I eat my eggs. Quieter for the eggs. Downloads. Here we go. You know what I'm looking forward to is my quarterly tax thing this
Order
afternoon.
filled.
It's my favorite 45 minutes of pain. You need to buy another investment property. You need to do this. You need to do that. I'm like, ugh. Look at that corgi farting out money. That's a good looking corgi. That kind of looks like the D-Dog. That kind of looks like the D-Dog. I'm getting teary. I'm sentimental here. That looks a lot like the D-Dog, except he didn't have a tail. He had that tail. He got his tail cropped. He had it cropped. All right. We're going to get a -2 touch. Can you just see it? A little. Oh, suck it, NASDAQ. Come on. I just feel like I got to hit that level today. Do 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 do. Do. There's a 10 in my notebook. It's been a while since I sang that song.
Order filled.
All right. Since I'm a legend,
Order
we're going to get a
filled.
few more in the Legends
filled.
account.
Order filled.
Here we go. We're on our way to the level. I told you guys.
Order submitted.
I said it was going to happen. Here we go. Oh!
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Uh-oh. Little painful.
Order filled.
All right, now we need a bounce.
Order filled.
But we're going to hit target here on the NASI. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Dude, what just happened? Rates popped. Gold dropped. Rates popped and gold dropped. We need this one right here, 8.
Order filled.
All right, still don't have it in every account. How do we not have it in every account? 9.
Filled.
Right here in 9.
Order submitted.
All right, we hit target there on that NASI short. Anyone have that NASI short? That was purty. Purty. Very pretty. Oops. That was a pretty trade there on that NASI short.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Cry on my shoulder. Ooh, uh-oh.
Order filled.
Bounce right off the minus twos. Probably make another lower low. I don't know what he's saying, but it's moving us around. It's fun.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, getting out of all this.
Order filled.
So we picked up a long right here, and I'm just going to close that.
Order filled.
Did you guys, who got long in the bid zone there?
Order submitted.
Damn it, gold. Making me look bad. Little bounce there, though. That was nice. How about this? We do NASDAQ off the bid zone, too. Maybe it could really fall apart. So let's see there. Go NASDAQ here on the bid zone.
Order submitted.
And we can add one more here on gold in a couple of these accounts. Here we go.
Order
Right there.
filled.
Right here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm a double down donkey.
Order filled.
Remember, we're going to have, oh, this one is 0-0. Why does this one not have anything in it? I don't know.
Order filled.
There we go. And God dang it.
Order filled.
There we go. Now we're in better shape. And number 8. Right here.
Order filled.
Okay. And this one right here.
Order filled. Order
Cry on my shoulders. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, you could use a bounce now. How about that bounce off the S&P? That was pretty nice. Ooh, we're long Dow. I was like, why is the P&L suffering a little bit there? All right. We got really no ads here on this Dow. Just gonna kind of leave it alone.
Order submitted.
Nothing we can do with the Dow. Just hold our one lot. I think we should be able to handle a one lot. All right, go, baby.
Order filled.
Took that one off. Oh, this worked out pretty well. Oops, closed that one, the wrong one.
Order filled. Order filled.
So look at this one. This is nice. When you add there like a donkey.
Order filled. Order filled.
So we'll be able to take this off here.
Order submitted.
Go, gold. It's a nice little move. All right. This is our lead account, though. So the lead account needs some help. Get a little 4 lot on there eventually. Ooh, 32. Got to do. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
You can do better than that, gold. Let's go. Ooh, look at this Dow. That is quite a sell-off on the Dow now. That's why we have one contract there. Don't you want to buy gold when you see that going on? A little bit of that. All right. Here's our ad right here. We're way outside the zones now.
Order filled.
All right. Don't do that at home. I'm a trained professional. You know when when you got it all locked in, and then
Order filled.
you just stay. In sales we used to call it talking past the close. Talk past the close. I can double down donkey there for a 2-lot, given that, you know what, I'm gonna close this. I don't want to be long here, the NASI. I love my short because I already have a long on here on the S&P. So long the S&P, long the Dow, and we're taking some heat, and we're long gold too. So a little bit of selling of everything. The shorts are winning. Powell stumbling on his words. There was some more chewing going on there. Ooh. Dow could use a day where it goes down like 700 points, 500 or 600, 700 points. The days following the Fed meetings so far have been pretty bullish. But they're going to scare the kids a little bit here, which I like. Little kid scaring. Scare those kids. Excuse me. Go baby, go baby. All right, here's what's cool. We got the copier there. Remember, you have to protect your risk budget. If your first trade is being long the Dow here and you're taking all this heat, it would have been really helpful if you had already made some money long gold, or maybe short gold, whatever your thing is, or shorting that NASDAQ, because that was about a $600 trade on a 2-lot in the NASI over here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get short back on if we were to pop all the way back up here. How many V bottoms have you guys seen in your day? This is a nice candle, big expansive candle. So what you want to do is there's one more minute and see what they do on the open of this next candle. They're selling it. Pushing lower. When's this guy stop talking? When's he stop talking? Cry on my shoulder. Ooh, that was nice. That was a fun little whatever that was.
Order filled.
How come gold's not moving along with it? It feels like they need to sell some gold here too. All right, Dow. Going to bounce from here or not? Good thing I had some profits before this. Good thing we had some profits before this. You guys having fun yet? I got no more risk budget for gold. Can't do anything here. We're at the -2s. It's down way more than $20. This is just since the that's the net change from before. There you go. That's another leg down. Well, I'll tell you, it's been a while since we've had like a interesting, fun Fed meeting. It's been a long time. So cry on my shoulder. That's a good song, man. I feel like that thing where like, turn the machines back on. Don't go away. Or whatever. Mortimer,
Order
turn the
submitted.
machines back on. There you go, gold. A little recovery. We'll take anything you can give us. Anything you can give us.
Order filled.
Cry on my shoulder.
Order
Well, that was
submitted.
all it gave us. Not much. You had the NASDAQ down here way outside the zones, made a low of 23.536. This is a time where you want to be looking at some higher time frames. All right, gold. We got a graceful exit coming in here soon. Should have been right there. There you go, gold. That's a little better.
Order filled.
All right. I don't love to do it, but we got no choice. Got no choice. I actually need to add more right here.
Order submitted.
Come on down, baby. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. S&P's been a little fun trade down here around the 63.70s. Doesn't look like the buyers are going to hold it. Extreme turn buys coming in on just about everything. That's an indicator that you can get on Tickblaze if you become a member of our fine community. I often say this. Could you imagine if you're, I mean, it's probably all computers now, but some kid graduate from some sort of prestigious school, you're going to be a quant, get to code for some hedge fund, and you're told, okay, when Powell says this, when we hear this word, we're going to flood the market with orders. And when this happens, then we're going to flood the market with orders in this direction. And what I want you to do is create a random number generator that just does it all at the same time.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Where's the stop on the Dow Jones? When you hit your daily risk budget or when you get close to it. I'm not anywhere close to it. I'm green. So when you're green, you don't have to, you can mess around a little bit, F around and find out. Nasy's trying to get back inside the zone.
Order filled.
Gold, new lows. Not yet. Almost.
Order filled.
Almost a new low there. It's trying. We got to pick it up in these accounts here.
Order filled.
And in this one right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're only taking heat in a few accounts. The other ones have really good prices because I'm just doing it right here. 09 right here. Here we go.
Order filled.
Come on, Dow. You can do it.
Order filled.
There we go. All right, now we can
Order filled.
take profit in a few of these accounts.
Order filled.
There we go. So go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Do.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Right here,
Order
we got
submitted.
issues.
Order submitted.
So we're going to get a 3 lot on there when it comes back down. Meanwhile, the Dow's not going to give us a real pop. I think we'll make our money on gold today. Or if you're messing around with the NASDAQ, remember we got NASDAQ earnings after the bell today. So much going on today. Lots of fun sides, as my girlfriend says. We get to a restaurant, you look and you're like, what you're going to eat, and then you see all the sides. Lots of fun sides. Get the cream of spinach. So many fun sides. So many fun sides. All right, we need this NASDAQ this gold to come back down here and give us a 3 lot in all these accounts. We have a 3 lot there. We have a 3 lot there. We have a 3 lot there. All right, cool. Here we go. Let's get us a 3 lot right here.
Order submitted.
Boom, boom, boom. All right, what the my daily loss limit on the accounts that you're watching today is $440. And currently I'm up about 350 in every account, somewhere like that. So how is that possible? Well, 150 in this one. The answer is, and then no, where's the ones? Yeah, 387. This was the lead account for a while. So we have open lot. Oh, there we go, Nazi. Come on, NASDAQ. All right. I don't want to do this, but we got to do a graceful exit here on let me see here. Just let me make sure I understand what the yeah, okay. So I'm going to do a graceful exit here.
Order filled.
and then rebuy the lows because those are 420, man. Let's rebuy the lows of 420. And then there goes gold. That's helpful. So you got to run a sell stop here on gold. I don't love that either, but we're going to do it. All right, there we go. Go, baby, go, baby, go. I need a pop here. I just sold the 111 puts for Friday on the ZN. So we need the ZN to stabilize a little bit here.
Order filled.
Stabilization. Stabilization. Ooh, right here. Look at that. Darn you, gold.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh, look at that. That's nice. That way we can get a 3-lot here and a 3-lot here.
Order filled.
And a 3-lot here.
Order filled. Order filled.
We might not pick a bottom in this thing, but we're going to control our risk. Go, Dow. Go, Dow.
Order filled.
737 right here.
Order submitted.
Who's long the Dow? It's coming back. It's fighting its way back. It's fighting its way back. So is the NASI. NASI goes unchanged. Give me one in the chat if you're long NASI. What happened with your long NASI? Oof, that's a nice move for the S&P.
Order filled.
Little bounce for the S&P from the 67s all the way up to the 90s. You guys remember the 90s? Here we go. Boom. 3-lot gold. 3-lot gold. Genuine ostrich. 3 payments. We need it here and here too. 30 and 31.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
There we go. Oh, almost. Genuine ostrich, 3 payments, and then we need it in 9 right here. All right, almost.
Order submitted.
Long MYM from 44 469s. 469s. 44 469s. You're doing good, dude. Kill it. This is what the Dow looks like over here. I'm only long in 5 accounts here. So
order filled.
Let's put an order there. Ooh, there's another move lower for gold. All right, the goal is to get
order filled.
Pal's done speaking.
Order submitted. Order filled.
By the way, down heaps over here on Bitcoin.
Order filled.
Not really, but like enough. Come on, Bitcoin. All right, so on the Bitcoin, I'm going to do it right here.
Order filled.
And a no on the right here.
Order submitted.
Look at the Dow. Damn it. I loved it before.
Order filled.
I was happy before. Long MES as well. Powell's done speaking, and they just sell it off. Cry on my shoulders. All right. Single Prit's down there. All the single ladies. All the single ladies. Can some of you guys please buy the 10-year? Please buy the 10-year. I think I'm going to have to take a break. Like an extended break. Maybe if we run this up here.
Order submitted.
Quick little bounce. Not much.
Order filled.
Stopped out again.
Order submitted.
So NASDAQ, I was not involved, but the NASDAQ, of course, had the biggest rebound. Dow Jones, maybe we can get a swing right back up to there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Gold leaving a mark today. Yeah, we have some unfinished business. Powell's done talking. All right. No, I'm showing, someone's asking to show the accounts that are doing good. I'm showing the accounts that are losing. That's what we're doing. We're showing the accounts that are losing. Gold, losing. Dow, losing. S&P, we're back in. But earlier, I was short a 2-lot in the NASDAQ and made a bunch of money on the fall. There's another new low in gold. Another new low in gold. Gold is full on graceful exit, but I can't get any graceful exits. I got to tell you, having the Fed and big tech earnings after the bell, that's an exciting combination. That's why I feel like I'm going to have to take a little break before we hit that. Same thing, just run a little sell stop.
Order submitted.
All right, scalp it again.
Order submitted.
I might catch a low here or miss the run, one or the other, but I'm okay with that. Well, the thing with the bounce in gold is that there's so many longs that are off sides, including me, that they're going to just offer out every little pop. And then eventually maybe it gets its sea legs and moves a little bit. But I got to exit every little pop. I got no choice. There have been no pops. Now we're eating
Order
eggs.
filled.
All right. There's a long again on the S&P. What did All right.
Order submitted.
I bet you Bitcoin's at 120,000 tomorrow. They just shake all these weak hands out. Man, I have that Bieber album in my head. The Biebs. All right, come on down and been a while since there's been a day where you could fade the pops. It's kind of nice. Low of the day on the Dow, 420, man. $420, man. All right. I'm going to do my first trades over here on I'm just going to buy
Position open.
gold right here.
Order
Just
filled.
add to the
Position open.
destruction. And same
Order
thing
filled.
here. Buy.
Position open. Order filled. Position
And we'll
open.
see if we get a pop. If not, you know, what are you going to do? Be careful what you wish for. Remember I was chirping before about wanting gold to go down so I can get more inventory? I'll take that back. Come on, Bitcoin.
Order filled.
Go, baby, go, baby, go. Bitcoin's like watching paint dry here today. It's like watching paint dry. Oh, there we go.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
New lows in gold.
Order submitted.
What you gonna do here, S&P? You make a little move?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Ooh, maybe not.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Kerpos is long the Dow, long the MES, and long gold. So those are the positions. Gold's going to probably be a total loss, maybe about a $200, $300, $400 loss. We'll see. Maybe I can work my way out of it. Maybe not. Here we go. S&P. Give us a fill, low of day. There we go.
Order filled.
That's nice. Go, baby, go, baby, go. All right. Can we pop back up into...
Order submitted.
Don't have to get long here, but man, the shorts are they don't give you a lot of time to get short. So if you want to fade any of the pops, the thing that happens though a lot of the time, right, is you get in there like, okay, now I'm ready. I'm going to fade the pop. I'm just going to do a graceful exit break even here and rebuy this low. This was basically a double bottom low.
Order submitted.
So we can sing the song, Do You Believe in Triple Bottoms? Dude, if I wasn't long gold today, I'd be up huge. Like enough to make a few house payments. Enough to make a few house payments. Go S&P. There we go. All right, I'm going to protect the profit here and just run a little sell stop.
Order submitted.
Probably run the risk of getting stopped out as we get inside, but that's okay. Then I can reload on the next move down.
Order submitted.
Who's long the S&P there with me? You guys long the S&P? Nice little bounce. Can do a graceful exit here on the S, but I'm going to let that run a little bit. So we got a nice bounce there.
Order filled.
All right, stopped out. Stopped out. So now we buy the minus ones, minus twos, excuse me. And I am going to
Order filled.
take that. And then what was this? What was the price again? 420, man, right? So let's go 420, 450, kind of made up.
Order submitted.
420 was the lows there. Gold's down like $100, isn't it? No, $60. $60 today. $60. Make you holler. It's all going to be based on Bitcoin.
Order filled.
No, I don't know.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, we're right back down.
Order filled.
We'll have a 3-lot on the next move because you got to be concerned if you believe in triple bottoms. This is just such a hard short to take, I find. I mean, if you have the ability to take these shorts right here, it's just awesome if you can. I mean, it's just a hard short for me to take.
Order canceled.
So I'll play the little pops. It's just for me, it's a hard. I think it's a hard short for anybody because we just seen too many times where you just get your face ripped off. If you got in short and are continuing to push shorts, that's awesome because we haven't had a day like that in a little while. Especially like something on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is giving you the opportunity to fade here if you want, but it's treacherous, especially with earnings after the bell. All right, I'm not looking at any questions. Over in the trade room, if people can just answer questions, members over there, and then on YouTube, I don't know, we've got probably a lot of stuff going on. All right, I'm going to go take a leak, and then I'll come back and answer some of the questions over on YouTube for today. Kurpos remains the same. Kurpos means current positions. I am long gold, long Bitcoin. These Bitcoin longs, these are, oh, I thought I was long Bitcoin here.
Order filled.
What is going on? Ugh. Oh, well. And then we'll come back and we'll answer some questions. Stand firm, as they say.
Snap, crack, pop clocks on the tick. Markets pause, it's time to kick. Grab that mug, take that sip. Bathroom dash, let it rip. Charts on hold, but the vibe's alive. Futures wait while we revive. Steam in the cup, music in the air. Shaking it off, no stress to spare. Sip it, flip it, take a quick trip. Coffee's hot, gotta take that sip. Stretch it, flex it, break time dance. Back in the game with a second glance. Mirror check, strike a pose. Fresh as bids and offers close. Refill done, minds reset. Ready to rock, place your bet. Sip it, flip it, take a quick trip. Coffee's hot, gotta take that sip. Stretch it, flex it, break time dance. Back in the game with a second glance. Sway with the groove, let the beat play. Markets can't wait, we own this day. Breathe it in, smooth and light. Get your head clear, chart it right. Sip it, flip it, take a quick trip. Coffee's hot, gotta take that sip. Stretch it, flex it, break time dance. Back in the game with a second glance. Snap back, charts attack.
Dun 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 dun.
Order submitted.
Bump, 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 bun. All right, we got to use this for good here since we're on the interwebs. Is there anyone that can tell me? I need someone that can do some cost segregation studies, and I mean, I need them to be aggressive. You know what I mean? I need to be 100% depreciating my whole life we need to depreciate our entire life. All right, what is the the band settings for NT? Sure. Someone wants the band settings for MT. I mean, they're just the they're I don't know. Here we go.
Order filled.
There you go. I mean, what do you want? There's the settings. All right, I'm going to cancel this and wait for an undercut low
Canceled.
on the Dow. Been lucky, kind of like scalping around it. Bitcoin's coming in a little bit now. Dow's coming back down. I got a 3 lot on. So I'm just kind of stand firm there for a moment. All right, so we got that. The ranges today were really, really small this morning. Close my mouth. Am I trading NQ? No, just MNQ. We don't trade. You can't trade minis in prop accounts. Don't do it. You certainly can't trade. You just can't do it. If you're on the right side of a move today, you feel like a total champ with a 1 or 2 lot on, or if you do something stupid and you have all this size on. If you're on the wrong side, you're just destroyed. We have 3 no-show on graceful exit. Use the order flow VWAP on an Apex. I don't know if someone wants to mention how you just buy a license to Ninja. Don't be cheap. Just buy licenses to Ninja. There's other ways to do it, but you're not going to get. If you want what I have up on the screen, you need some sort of license to Ninja, or you can use Tickblaze. Tickblaze has so like Tickblaze, you can get my whole workspace for free. Where is this one? Oh, right here. What do you think? Gamble? Trade a little pullback here in the NASDAQ? What do you think? We'll see.
Order pending.
Little Nazi action there. Sacrificed my $231 that I was up in the NASDAQ today. I'm going to put it on the line. Lay it on the line. Won't you lay it on the line? Picking my nose, chewing in your mouth. I'm not chewing in your mouth. I'm chewing in your ear. I'm going to love the trolls on today. There's definitely going to be some trolls on today's trading. Definitely some trader trolls on today's trading.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Definitely some trader trolls. Come on, give us a little fill there. All right, while we wait for the fill on the NASDAQ, let's come over here. And I canceled that ad there on we just got a 1 lot on because I have a 3 lot on in the Dow. So since I have a 3 lot in the Dow, and those are generally somewhat correlated, we're going to leave the 1 lot on there. Gold is first move in our favor in forever, but it's barely. I can't really do anything with gold yet. There's no graceful exit opportunities in gold yet, folks. I mean, you can call that maybe a measured move that you would take some off, but if you're going to take that much heat, you gotta get more reward out of it. So saith me. All right, now I did my first graceful exit there in gold. And so bought in here, bought, sold. So, I mean, I'm down $350 on this position, but now the 33.19 fives, I'll look like a champ. Now I really am rooting for it to go down. If it reverses here, I don't do too well. All right, on the Dow, let's take a little profit there.
Order filled.
Remember, we bought 450, and we're also trying to buy
Order
420s, 420s and 450s. People over there in the room, how are we doing today? Put some P&L porn in there if you got it. Put a little P&L porn in there if you got it. MD had a question why you can't buy minis in a prop account. Does anyone want to answer that? I mean, you can push the button and you can do it. You can take the bait. You can sail your ship into the rocks when that sexy ass siren calls you. I mean, you're welcome to try it. I don't think it's not going to work out very well for you. Ah, look, we could have scratched it, but came right back down. Not going to work too well for you. We need a new low, undercut low in the S&P.
Order filled.
That was
Order filled.
awesome.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh. Yikes.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order
That's the way to get the
filled.
most amount of people. Oh, we came right back down the Dow here. See? Right back down to our 450. Can they bounce it,
submitted.
make me look like a champ, or are we going to get screwed? We'll see. You know, my share song, Do You Believe in Triple Bottoms? How about do you believe in, what is this, 6 times? You're once, twice, 6 times a level. We got 6 more minutes until, use your words, Rod, 6 more minutes until the market on close stuff comes out. Then we got 10 minutes after that. We're going to have a bunch of earnings. So just stick around. Stick around. Could be fun. Could be miserable. What do you think? We're going to hit it? We're going to hit it, or it's going to tease us and go lower?
Order filled.
Oh, we hit it. We hit it. Look what I did over here today in Top Step. $18, baby. That's all I felt comfortable. I was like, I'm not going to mess around. You can see I have a sell order way up here. Oh, by the way, thank you yesterday for everyone who taught me how to do this. Ready? I got my orders. I got, I guess, just one order here, but watch. Cancel all. Ha, ha, ha. Thank you, people. I appreciate it. Now, if you have $18 across 5 accounts, that's like $100, right? That's $100. I'm pretty proud of myself. Go, Dow. All right, now let's run a little sell stop here. Give me a 1 in the chat if you're long Dow with me here. Remember, you're supposed to just be trading the Dow. When you're starting out, if you're not a champ, if you're not crushing prop programs and taking profits left and right, you need to be trading the Dow Jones. Ooh, look at the S&P. We can even preserve profit here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right. Every account that has gold in it is effed today, but the ones that don't have gold in them are doing wonderfully. Wonderfully. All right. How about another, oh, Let's move this up to the minus ones. And now we can buy here and here. I better see a like 51s in the for long Dow. 51s. Oh, we got stopped out. Oh well. We need to cancel this here.
Order canceled.
Cancel that. Now over here, I'm just going to close this. Don't sell the market. Don't sell market very often, but here I'll do sell ask. We'll see if we get a fill, and they hit me right away. So that's cool.
Order pending.
You guys trading the
Position closed.
wire to wire challenge over on Tickblaze, PropShop Tickblaze wire to wire challenge. All right, I managed to work gold into something that's not horrible, but it's still really bad. So now another touch of the minus twos, and I'll be in again. Normally, you wouldn't want to be trading gold this late at all. I mean, there's just no reason to, but go Dow. What is your reason to only trade the Dow? What is the reason to not trade minis? Well, welcome here. Make sure you come back. The room will be open. Use code Rambler. Go to the notes section. Read through that whole notes section. Download the free ebook. Read all that. And it will all come together for you. It'll all come together for you. Or you can go, that boomer probably full of shit, so let's go stick with ICT. We're sticking with ICT. Go Dow.
Order canceled.
Pretty nice bounce from the Nazi there. All right, so for those that wanted to like to see this, I'll leave it on the screen for a little bit. These are all the accounts that had gold in them, so really hard to make money there. And this account had gold in it, so it's down. And the others are a combination of me just screwing up the replicator, and that's why they're out of sync a little bit. So there you go. There you go. You can stare at that for a second. I took this tracking account down to $5,000. Oh, there's a nice move for the S&P.
Order filled.
I like it.
Order filled.
All right, so I have some over here, like here. So I'm just going to sell the bid. Should have got. I don't know why I wasn't resting orders to get rid of all of it there. Because I just mess up. I mess up constantly. So I got to get out of it here too. 36.
Order filled.
And then the target should be right here.
Order filled.
There we go. Go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Order filled.
I got you, girl, on a cloudy day. Check out this on MBT. That's a little $50 there, quick. I got sunshine. Who's long Bitcoin?
Order filled.
Let's take it. Go back in here.
Order submitted.
I got sunshine on a cloudy
filled.
day.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I would love to have the
Order
the
submitted.
S&P go back down to the -2s. Maybe we get lucky there. 36. Because that way I can get my way out of
Order filled.
these losses over here. I said you bet. What could make you? I don't think I'm going to have the chutzpah to the gonads. The gonads to oops. Ooh, I can't be. I'm on camera. I can't be lifting my shirt up like that. Oop, oh, good. Maybe that didn't show up. Go on, take the money and run. Ah, woo! Go on, take the money and run.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Anyone take the -2s again on gold? This has just been like a joke today, but you know, it is what it is. Just minimizing losses.
Order
I said you said.
Order filled.
All right, we hit target on a lot of these. Now I just need it to come back down.
Order submitted.
All right, so target on the Dow long is going to be this line right here. So we'll re-enter at this line. By the way, you can also walk forward test getting really aggressive on moves and just buy each swing. So you can look to buy the swing. You could buy not a swing that's like that small, but a swing like this. One of the advantages of using the Renkos is that you have these swing levels that you can look at. Go, Dow. How to find the ebook? Go to the website. Go to my website.
Order filled.
Ooh. All right. We minimized some losses there down to only losing $180 per account, which is not too bad.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. 4 more minutes. Looking to get flat here a little bit. Nice move for the Dow. Nice move for the NASDAQ. Going to cancel these shorts.
Order canceled.
And I am going to get some positions in for the Microsoft earnings. We'll see what happens. But we got this nice low to work off of, so hit that right there. Microsoft is in the Dow too, so we should, I already got these orders ready here. Oops, don't do that.
Order canceled.
Little V bottom action going on. You guys taking advantage of that? The one thing that's still on its ass is gold. Just sitting on its ass. All right. For everybody that says I just trade in the morning and never do anything in the broadcast, so there you go. That's a little mixed bag. Like a little Christmas tree action. Kerpos is just, all this nonsense is all gold. So just gold. One contract left in gold. All right, so ebook. Everything is about going over to the website. Go to my website. Look under resources. Right here. It's also on the website. You could just scroll down, but there it is. Where was someone asking that? Oh, over here. Asking it in the trade room. So there you go there. Long question mentioned price stays 80%. How about rule? Blow through them. I don't have any stats on rule of projection. Rule of projection is separate from just prior session highs and lows and the VWAP bands during the only thing that we were able to really test is VWAP. Oh, we got incoming? Look at that. Congratulations. Damn. Nice move for you Nazi longs. So jealous. Nazi's doing that and gold's doing this. Gold's doing that and Nazi's doing that. All right, well, longs get rewarded again. All right, one more minute, and then we're going to All right, I'm going to move this off the screen. The only position I have is this gold position on with one ad down there, and I'm going to flatten it in just a moment. The stock, the indice, the earnings are not going to affect gold. AJ Shaw, another profitable day. Ooh, I like that. ICT, I can't trade. 450 payout eligible on TPT account. All right, I'm loving what I'm seeing over here on YouTube. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you to everybody that joined. We're going to do a little extended time. I don't know when exactly the earnings come out from. When do they come out from Microsoft?
Order submitted.
So working a little sell stop, as you can see there. I'm just looking to get out of this position. Oh, that's nice. That'll help. Oh, buy some gold. Come on, baby. Buy some gold. We'll watch NASDAQ over here. Total V bottom in the NASI. Want to be aggressive and put in this order here? That'll be fun.
Order submitted.
Put a little. All right, we're out. We're out of gold. Done.
Order canceled.
You can't hurt me anymore. All right, so let's watch S&P on the Brickwicks, and we'll take a look at the NASDAQ over here on the range trader. And remember, I'm leaving the accounts up that lost money today. So these are the accounts that lost money. This series of accounts, 34, 33, 34, 37, 40, and 36. But hopefully you saw quite a circus, like a total circus, and whoa, there we go. Some sort of earnings are out. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Well, we got filled there. Yikes. Uh-oh. I don't have any shorts on over here. Okay, good. All right, Nazi. This is fun, huh? How silly that is. Yikes. Talk about a V-bottom. V-bottom.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. Nice. Caught the top there in an actual live account. So let's do this. Let's just move up all the way up to here. And we'll see if I might little scalp a little bit on the short side. When you get an original reaction like that, it normally holds for a little bit, and then you see if all right, so is Meta out? Microsoft's up $24. That'll do it. Microsoft up 5%. I don't know if you want to mess with shorting that. Ding dong.
Order submitted.
We're into this zone. And remember, we had this candle right here. That's what put in this high at 23,650s. 23,650s.
Order submitted.
God, Microsoft's up 6% now.
Order filled.
6%. Is Meta out yet? Is the Meta out yet? Look at that V-bottom, baby. America, F yeah. America, F yeah. Ooh, I want to short this NASDAQ here. But we'll wait for that move all the way up there. I can't resist.
Order filled.
Can't resist. I can't resist. Could go horribly wrong. Or by horribly wrong, I mean I lose, $100 or something. Or more. We could lose more. Could always lose more. Oh, Qualcomm's down. But what's going on with Facebook? Facebook must be out. Meta? That's it. So Meta and Microsoft are both up huge. I'm surprised NASDAQ's not up more. It's probably going to go higher. Be careful. Caution. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger, Will Robinson.
Order filled.
Here's the plus twos.
We're way outside the plus twos. Way outside. We need to see the conference call on Meta. We're going to spend billions and billions and billions and billions on AI. Cap infrastructure, more than you could possibly ever imagine. All right, what do we do? Do we scalp it there a little bit? You can't hurt me now. Yes, you can. Now let's see if we can go up and make even another new high.
Order submitted.
Man, best trade I made was getting out of this 23,500 short calls. Now I could do maybe the 700s, 23,700s. How about the 23,700s?
Sometimes you just have to smoke some hopium.
That's right.
Everything will be all right.
Smoke some hopium. Oh, they said that their guidance is super good too. Strong guide, baby.
The market is closed.
Oh, Robinhood's up big too. Everyone trading futures at Robinhood now. Trading futures at Robinhood. Cry on my shoulder. Well, congratulations to anybody that was bottom fishing a little bit there on the NASI today and caught and held through some earnings here. That's a fun move. That's a fun move. So I'm seeing a bunch of questions in here. T-line, what's a T-line? It's a 233 EMA. You can find out, again, as I mentioned all the time on my live stream here, please look at the description on the video that you're watching, this live. Look at the description. I have probably too many links. There are so many links to our free Discord, to the ebook, to a 30 video course, to a free trial, to a workshop that will give you about 3 hours of background in everything that I teach and train and do here, which is volatility and volume-based mean reversion trading. You don't have to be a mean reversion trader, but you do have to understand how to understand the volatility profile, the regime that you're trading in, and then understand how to read volume. That's really, so many trading strategies do not account for volatility, and they don't account for volume, not in a meaningful way. And I don't mean that silly volume chart at the bottom of a. I'm trading I have connected right now 8 different firms: Apex, Take Profit, Tick, Tradeify, Interactive Brokers, Ninja Trader, Legends, Blue Sky, and Bullinox. So quite a few. Bullinox over here. All right, let's just cancel all this.
Order filled.
All right, hold on.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so this was my Bullinox today. This is on a VPS on another machine. So there you go. So like $400 in 5 accounts. Master.
Order.
Uh-oh. You mean I didn't pick the absolute top? Come on now. I thought I was going to pick the top. Uh-oh. Look at this candle. Kermit is hard.
Order filled.
Like I said, this NASDAQ probably at risk of losing 80 to $100 on this trade. Overall, we'll see. Cry on my shoulder. That song Daisies is a good song too on the new album.
It's been a G5 sort of day, much yelling, much money.
G5 day. It has been. It's been like a G5 day. That's what it feels like. After all that nonsense fighting gold to the downside, now I got a short on in this ripper on the Nasdaq. We just touched the +2s on the S&P. So if you Can you imagine the scale? The scale is unbelievable. A company the size of Meta is up 10%. I'm surprised the Nasdaq's not even up way more. All right, I got to do a buy stop here.
Order filled.
All right. Cut our losses, as they say. Cut our losses. Again, I'm keeping the unprofitable positions on the screen because that, I think, is the best thing to do. You'll learn more from watching me manage risk in unprofitable positions. But across these VPSs, again, these are 3 of these are what are called master accounts over at Bullinox. So they have like $1,500 balances. This one has 1,000. I usually trade them up to about 5,300, 5,400, 55, or about 5,000, and I'll cash flow those a little bit. And then I have 2 evaluations going on. I usually have 3 master and 2 evals. I think you're allowed to have Bullinox people. Steve, tell me, how many master accounts can you have live at the same time at Bullinox? I thought it was still 3, so I always keep it right around 3.
Order filled.
Cry on my shoulder.
Order submitted.
This has been the longest I've ever streamed before. You can have 3? Yeah. I think you can only have 3 at a time until they get to the payout threshold or whatever. And it takes me a while to get them to the payout threshold. All right. I would like to point out the absolute brilliance of No, I'm just messing with you guys. Did anyone short the plus twos? Just do what you're supposed to do. All you have to do is do what I tell you. So all you have to do is do what I tell you. Learn the strategy. So here you go. We were watching the, but now I'm going to put a buy stop in because we've had a nice little run. Who sold right where you're supposed to sell? Right here. Come on. Just do what you're supposed to do. And not be short the NASDAQ because the NASDAQ got outside the bands. So don't follow the dumb crap that I'm doing. Oh, here we go. Slightly back in.
Order submitted.
All right, I'm going to sell right there.
Order submitted.
Suck it. Here we go. All right. There we go. Who's the best ever? You guys the best ever? Are we all the best ever? All right, let's do that. Run this down a little bit. And then we'll just watch the S&P.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Still lost money, don't get me wrong. Still down money. But feels a little better. Down money in 8 accounts, up money in 15, in 16 accounts. Ooh, there we go. Come on. Suck it, NASDAQ.
Order filled.
All right. That's it. That's all. That's all she wrote. Let's go over here to orders. Cancel all orders. Cancel all of our orders. Full disclosure, here's how we ended up. So a little bit of green, a little bit of red. But well within our daily risk budgets. All right, thank you, everybody. Good session. I look forward to all the troll comments. You shorted the plus twos in the MES? Did you guys short the plus twos in the MES? Remember, if you have all these platforms, you want to go over here. Also, make sure you cancel all your orders in Tickblaze.
Order canceled.
Cancel all your orders. Cancel all your orders where you got to cancel all your orders. I think I made a little money over here in, what do you call it? This is Tasty Trade. Account summary. $101. $101. I took this one down to 5.2, so we're up $2,400. I haven't taken any withdrawals from this. And the other tracking account is up about $800. All right, fun session, everybody. Stay green, trade like you mean it. Remember, let me show you really quick. All right, right here. Come over to my website and scroll around if you're over there on YouTube and pick what you want to, sign up right here and say, I'm ready to learn. This will get you the video course or get started for free or grab the ebook. Click on any of these, what they call CTAs, right? Click on any of these CTAs and you'll be on the list, and then you'll get notified to when we're doing the free stream over on the trade room. Or you can just grab the ebook and read that or whatever. Okay? Do this right, everybody. All right, that'll be it for today. Stay green, trade like you mean it. Thanks for joining today. We'll see you in the room tomorrow. Be good. Bye-bye.